Imagine breaking free from the rat race. No more living paycheck to paycheck. No more working tirelessly for someone else's dreams. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a practical reality. Let the lessons of Rich Dad, Poor Dad guide you to financial independence. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a riveting journey into financial wisdom. Introduction: The Tale of Two Dads. Imagine growing up with two fathers, each offering radically different perspectives on life, money, and success. One, an educated academic with a PhD, believes in the traditional route: study hard, get a secure job, and climb the corporate ladder. The other, a high school dropout turned self-made millionaire, advocates for financial independence, entrepreneurship, and making money work for you. This dichotomy shaped Robert Kiyosaki's worldview and gave birth to his groundbreaking book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Through captivating anecdotes and actionable lessons, Kiyosaki reveals how the contrasting advice from his poor dad, biological father, and rich dad, best friend's father, paved the way for his financial freedom. This summary will take you on an engaging journey through the core principles of the book, leaving you equipped to rethink your relationship with money and take control of your financial destiny. Act 1. Challenging conventional wisdom. 1. The education myth. Go to school, get good grades, and find a stable job. Sound familiar? This mantra, endorsed by Kiyosaki's Poor Dad, is the cornerstone of traditional financial advice. But Rich Dad had a different view. He argued that conventional education teaches people how to be employees, not entrepreneurs or investors. The key to financial success, according to him, is financial education, an often neglected subject in schools. Education is vital, but the type of education matters. While traditional schooling focuses on professional skills, such as reading, writing, and arithmetic, it rarely addresses financial literacy. Rich Dad believed that understanding how money works, managing debt, and identifying opportunities are critical skills for building wealth. This foundational knowledge forms the bedrock of financial independence. 2. The difference between assets and liabilities. Rich Dad's golden rule: know the difference between an asset and a liability. And by assets, most people mistakenly believe their house is an asset. In reality, if something takes money out of your pocket, it's a liability. Assets, on the other hand, put money into your pocket. Examples include stocks, bonds, rental properties, and intellectual property. This simple distinction underscores a profound truth. Financial struggles often arise from misunderstanding or mismanaging assets and liabilities. Rich Dad encouraged Kiyosaki to focus on building a portfolio of income-generating assets while minimizing liabilities, a principle that lays the foundation for long-term wealth. 3. The rat race. Many people are trapped in the rat race, working hard to earn money, spending most of it, and then working harder to make up for the shortfall. Rich Dad emphasized breaking free from this cycle by creating passive income streams, which generate money even when you're not actively working. The rat race often stems from a fear-driven mindset. People fear losing their jobs, defaulting on loans, or missing out on luxuries, leading them to prioritize short-term earnings over long-term planning. Rich Dad's solution: learn to delay gratification and invest in assets that generate income over time. 4. The power of mindset. I can't afford it shuts down the brain, while how can I afford it opens it up to possibilities. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki to replace limiting beliefs with empowering questions, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills essential for wealth building. The mindset shift is about focusing on possibilities rather than obstacles. Instead of fearing risk, learn to manage it. Instead of accepting financial limitations, explore ways to expand your earning potential. This optimistic, solution-oriented perspective is a hallmark of successful individuals. Act 2. Lessons for financial independence. 5. The importance of financial literacy. Money without knowledge is fleeting. Kiyosaki emphasizes the need to understand concepts like cash flow, leverage, and taxation. He introduces the cash flow quadrant. Employee: E, works for money. Self-employed, S, owns a job. Business owner, B, owns a system. Investor, I, makes money work for them. True financial freedom lies in transitioning from the left side E and S to the right side B and I. Each quadrant represents a mindset and approach to income generation. While employees and self-employed individuals rely on active income, business owners and investors focus on building systems and assets that generate passive income. 6. Work to learn, not to earn. Rich Dad encouraged Kiyosaki to take jobs that taught valuable skills rather than focusing solely on salary. For example, learning sales can be more beneficial than earning a high wage because it equips you with tools to build businesses and negotiate deals. Kiyosaki himself took on diverse roles, such as selling Xerox machines and managing a construction business, to gain first-hand experience in sales, leadership, and problem-solving. This work-to-learn approach laid the groundwork for his entrepreneurial ventures and financial success. 7. Overcoming fear and greed. Fear of losing money and the greed for material possessions often lead to poor financial decisions. Rich Dad advised mastering these emotions and making decisions based on logic and strategy. For example, the fear of losing money might prevent someone from investing, while greed might lead to over-leveraging. Kiyosaki suggests developing emotional discipline and seeking advice from knowledgeable mentors to navigate these challenges effectively. Act 3. Applying the lessons. 8. Start small, think big. Kiyosaki's journey began with small investments, such as buying undervalued properties and renting them out. Over time, he leveraged these investments to build a robust portfolio. Starting small reduces risk while providing valuable experience. A practical way to start is by setting aside a portion of your income to invest in assets, even if it's just a few $100s. As your knowledge and confidence grow, you can scale up your investments and explore more sophisticated opportunities. 9. Building a team. No one achieves success alone. Rich Dad stressed the importance of assembling a team of advisors, including accountants, lawyers, and financial planners, to navigate complex financial landscapes. Collaboration with experts not only minimizes risks, but also opens doors to new opportunities. A well-rounded team provides insights and strategies that can accelerate your financial growth. 10. Giving back. True wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about creating value for others. Kiyosaki believes in sharing knowledge and giving back to the community, which amplifies one's impact and legacy. Giving back can take many forms, from mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs to supporting charitable causes. This mindset fosters a sense of purpose and fulfillment that transcends financial success. Conclusion: The Legacy of Rich Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book. It's a mindset shift. By questioning conventional wisdom, understanding the principles of wealth building, and taking deliberate action, anyone can rewrite their financial story. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, and that step is education. Kiyosaki's lessons challenge readers to think beyond job security and consumerism, inspiring them to embrace entrepreneurship, investment, and lifelong learning. The principles outlined in the book are timeless and universally applicable, making it a must-read for anyone seeking financial independence. So, are you ready to escape the rat race and make your money work for you? The choice is yours. Start today and take control of your financial future.